Hi, Dr. Sean Bennington here, and one of the questions I get asked a lot is, what is the ProAdjuster? How does it work? And is it good for me? Will it help my condition? And the answer to that question is most likely yes, and I'll explain why. So as chiropractors, what we do is if a joint here is moved out of position, what happens is that joint then can pinch a nerve. And those nerves are very important because they control everything in your body. So your brain communicates down your spinal cord, out these nerves to every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. And so if this is your L4, L5 nerve and we compress it, then those are the nerves that go to your digestive system and reproductive organs. And so sometimes patients will start having digestive system issues, or in men, maybe ED. And one of the things we'll look at is the nerve that comes, the associated nerve with that organ. And so what the ProAdjuster does, though, is it allows us to adjust this joint without having to crack or pop or put someone in weird positions. And this is especially beneficial if someone is maybe a little older in age, maybe they're osteoporotic, had surgeries, or maybe they're just squeamish about the whole cracking and getting moved and putting in weird positions. They've heard horror stories, and that's great. And that's why we have the ProAdjuster. It's incredible technology. This instrument is what's called the ProAdjuster, but the beauty behind it is that this wire attaches to a computer that actually measures and analyzes the spine as we do the treatment. So it has a sensor on it that measures the tension in the muscle, as you can see here. And so if this bone is moved out of position, then that accompanying muscle will be tight. And so what we do is we put the ProAdjuster right on the spine and we compress, and it will start firing rapid impulses into the joint. We can control the pressure and make it very, very light. If someone is really stubborn and they need more of a forceful adjustment, we can turn up the pressure. And what that does is it rapidly fires into that joint to help us reposition it, take pressure off the nerve, and help the body to heal. So that's why I love the ProAdjuster, and I've seen amazing results with this in patients that I would have never believed.